This program is giving out 50% off and a free account to all traders. Most people don't know this yet, that you can even pay with a Naira card with them. The firm is actually called Equity Hedge, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually do that. You know, as a trader, it's actually very easy to fail challenges, right? But imagine that instead of paying 50,000 Naira for a $5,000 challenge, what if you're paying something like 15,000 Naira, right? Just one a challenge. Okay, I found Equity Edge sometimes last year, July. It's been about 7 months I've been trading with them now. I've passed a lot of their challenges and also gotten payouts from them. So as a firm, they've paid out well over $7 million to traders all around the world. So they are an incredible company to actually trade with. So I'm going to show you how you can also get the discount code and how you can get started with them today in this video. The name of the firm again is Equity Hedge, and their website is equityhedge.io. So you can just go to the website and check them out. And they are running 50% off as of right now, of February of 2026. Actually, they've actually been running discounts since I've known this firm. They have constantly been running discount codes, like since July of last year that I knew them. They've been running codes, and they are one of very good pro firms out there that actually pay people. They pay you as long as you follow their trading rules. They pay you your payout. They give you your payout. Equity Hedge is offering 50% off on all of their account types right now. And the code that you're going to use when you're checking out straight up is just Precious 50 or Best Year. So how I track all this code is that I'm actually very active on their Discord channel. So they have a Discord or server whereby they share all the latest announcement about the company. So if you also want to pay attention or you want to be active whenever they change the code, so you can just join their Discord channel, as also that whenever they announce a new discount code, you can also participate with it. All right, another good thing is that they're not just giving you 50% off, they are also giving you one free account. So if you buy an account, so it's called BOGO, you buy one get one free. Not just that you buy one get one free, but you also buy it with 50% off. So that's why I actually think it's cool, and I want to share you this information. So how you can use it right now is that you go to the website equityhedge.io and then create an account. For me, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in now. Now that I've actually logged in, what you have to do is that you click on the choose a challenge. Now note that Equity Hedge has about 4 different account types, and for you to know exactly which one to pick, I'm going to tell you in this video. So they have a legacy account type. Yeah, they have the Swift, Instant, and Flagship. As a trader, I always recommend that if you are trading a prop firm challenge, especially as a beginner, always go for the 2-step challenges. Don't trade a 1-step challenge or an instant account challenge. Always trade the 2-step challenge account. Okay, choose the MT5 as your trading platform. Now, the legacy account type on Equity Hedge actually gives you more leverage. That's just the difference in it. It gives you more leverage, basically a leverage of 1 to 40 on every trade that you are taking. And the max daily loss and max loss is also bigger. That's just the difference between the legacy and the Swift. You see that as you switch between them, you see the leverage reduce, the max daily loss reduces. So let's say you want to buy a $10,000 account right now. So the Swift account costs $46, and in fact, Equity Hedge is one of the firms that really offers you like a very low entry price for most of their challenges. The rules and regulation of their challenges actually is the same with every other firms out there, like Funding Pips and Funded Next. So, but their pricing is very better. And not only that it's better, they're also offering the discount at least as at this February right now. The discount is still active, and I'm sure that through March, April, May, the discount is still going to be very active. And so what you want to do now, you click on buy now, and see the area here when they say coupon code. All you just have to do is put in the code Best Year. So right now they have 2 codes, Best Year and Precious 50. So if you click on it, you can see before we apply it, it's $46, but once we apply it, it turns to $23. Right now, $23 is just small amount of money for a $10,000 account, right? What if it was actually a $5,000 account? So $5,000 account is $22 originally, but imagine I apply the code Best Year, it becomes $11. If you convert $11 to Naira as Nigerian, that's just about 15,000 Naira. Imagine paying 15,000 Naira to have access to a $5,000 trading account. That's really good. That's like a good leverage, as a trader. Company also allow you to make payments using Naira payment option. So if you want to do that, in the payment method at the top here, make sure you switch to the worldwide option. So when you switch to the worldwide option, then you choose Nigeria as your country. So once you choose Nigeria as a country, all you just have to do now is agree to all their terms and conditions, and then click on pay now. So when you click on the buy now button, it's going to take you to the payments page. If you're already familiar with Quora as a Nigerian user, you know that Quora allows you to pay with your bank transfer method, the way that we love to make payments in Nigeria, or use any of your Naira or ATM cards and all. And if you're outside Nigeria, also know that you can use the Visa card. You can use any local payments provider that's actually in your area. So you can just click on Quora, then click on pay 11 USD. Then what will happen is that Quora is going to convert this payment into a Naira format that you can actually just check out on easily. You can see it's even 14,788 Naira. So all you just have to do is click continue. They're going to display a bank account information. You make the transfer there. They're going to complete the payment, and before you know it, the payment is going to be successful and it's going to return you back to the Equity Hedge account. So that's basically how to use the code. There's two codes that is working: Precious 50 and Best Year. So Best Year and Precious 50 are the two codes that Equity Hedge is working right now. And as soon as you actually do that, they will also give you a free account. It's called a BOGO account. So there's something I have to tell you guys also, is make sure you know the rules and regulation of the firm you are actually trading with, because every prop firm out there have specific rules and regulation, and if you know and adhere to the rules and regulation, you can make sure that you secure payout for yourself. I have been trading with Equity Hedge. I've passed many of the challenge accounts I bought. Of course, I failed some accounts, but I passed, and I also get payouts, right? I'm even trading right now a live trading challenge, a $5,000. If you check on my channel, you will see that we are running currently a prop firm challenge series. It's the 5K challenge, and right now we are almost done. We're almost done with the phase one, so you can check it out as well to see how we're trading that. But I must let you know that you need to know the rules and regulation of every firm. Equity Hedge has some specific rules and regulation. During news, you cannot take some trades during news, like 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after a high impact news. You cannot actually take trade. So you just need to familiarize yourself, go to their help section, FAQ section, and know all the rules and regulations that the firm actually wants you to make sure that you know, so that you will not just even though you are buying the accounts at a very cheap price, affordable price, you also make sure that you know the rules and regulations, you pass, and like it's a very good leverage for you to pay something as low as 15,000 Naira to pass a challenge and start getting payouts of like $100, $500. And also anyway, I hope that this video is actually very helpful to you. If it is, leave a comment, and hopefully we'll see each other on the next one.